this is Ansu from Tranquil Vibes. Today I would like to show you how to make a teardrop shape. For that I am using a 5 mm quilling strip and my slotted quilling tool. To learn how to hold the quilling tool properly, you can go through my previous video, how to hold your quilling tool. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert the paper into the slotted tool. I'm going to rotate and make it a tight coil. Once the tight coil is made, I'm going to place it and enlarge it slightly so that the paper uncoils. Then, where the paper is ending, to get it perfectly, you need to place your finger exactly at the closing end, just across it. The middle part should be pressed backwards and press. Then apply a slight amount of glue on one side and stick the paper. There you have it. How to make the crescent form. For that I have made a closed coil. I'm going to remove it. I'm going to leave it to enlarge slightly. Now when it's slightly enlarged, I'm going to hold on the tip of this. Then look closely with my fingers. I'm just going to press in the middle. I'm going to put the center in the middle, press and bend, and then apply a slight amount of glue at the end. There you have it, the crescent shape. I would like to show you is the paisley shape. For that, what I'm going to do is I will make a closed coil like the others. I'm going to release it slightly to unwind like this. Then I'm going to press along. I'm going to press the middle part and push it backwards. Then the tip I'm going to press and make a teardrop. Once I make a teardrop, I'm going to apply a slight amount of glue to stick it. Then I'm going to use my quilling tool as a guide and press the end inside. There you have it. Next, I would like to show you how to make a curved teardrop. For that, I have made a closed coil. I'm going to let it release slightly. Once it is released, I'm going to take the paper and I'm going to push the center upwards and I'm going to make a teardrop first. Now, once the teardrop is formed, this is a teardrop, I'm going to apply a slight amount of glue, stick it. After that, I'm going to press slightly in the middle to form a curve. There you have it.